Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World or Fuge Across the World, chapter 64. So here it is. Let's read the Xiaoying and Yangchu. The two of them are eating outside. Looking at Xiaoying, she seems to be happy. Now they're serving the wonton. Well, it's look really appetizing. It is for two person and it's been served really hot. Auntie said, here are the xiaolongbang for you. Thank you, boss lady. We will definitely come here often. Xiaoyun said to the old lady, this is... You remember the first time you and I came here. Later, I helped the couple advance money. Are you satisfied with this treatment? That's it. I thought it was me. It turns out that Xiaoying also did these things. Well, right now, Xiaoying, she was really great. Also, she was really smart. What did you say? No wonder the lady boss will give us advance. Yangchu, are we really going to sneak in later? Are you sure? Xiaoying was asking her. If I caught, you, the master of Pissing Hall, are ashamed with me. Oh, it turns out, Yangchu, you really get this by Xiaoying. Yang just said I mentioned the idea and I have made all the plans. Oh, did she really mean this? Is she really sure she's ready not to be ashamed when they caught? I believe you. The most special date. Zhao Ying said to Yang Chu. Well, these two girls are really going to sneak in. We do it together. Yang Chu said to her. Well, it was getting late. It seems that Yang Chu and Xiaoying was there. Well, they're really going to sneak in. The two of them are quietly stepping inside the hall. Well, let's really hope that the two of them cannot be caught. Angju, right now, she was holding hands with Xiaoying. Calm down, I'll follow you. Xiaoying said, okay. Well, at least, right now, they're already inside. Window is unlocked. How did you find it? Hey, I also have connection in Shanlelin. Angju said to her, right now, Xiaoying. She was really amazed. Angju's heart is beating fast. It was really dark. Be careful, you can walk slowly. I'll go to turn on the lights first. You still know where the lights are on? Yang just said yes. Now they're slowly getting inside. Xiaoying, she was really amazed. This is the brilliant idea of Yangzhu to go here. Never sit on an empty Shanlelin. There is a familiar and unfamiliar feeling. Right now, Xiaoying. Well, she remembered the stage. Right now, she is imagining she is standing in front of a lot of people, that everything is looking at her around. Especially when she was singing, everyone is focusing on her. Right now, the feeling is really strange. And everything's come back when she was singing here. Of course, she got a little sad, but she really wished that she can go back and sing again in front of a lot of people so they can entertain them, also making them happy. Right now, Xiaoying was portraying herself singing the stage, and right now, she was looking on herself. She is seeing herself singing happily. It's really make her happy right now. Right now, Yangchu, she moved closer to her. Xiaoying, what are you thinking? Right now, she seems to be puzzled and said, Xiaoying said, just spill a little bit this. It's not too long to live here. But suddenly, there are many emotions in my heart. But I looked there. There was only one very clear in my mind thoughts. I want to sing. Well, this is only her dream. I want to perform many people. Right now, Yang just said, I'll accompany you. Well, it was really getting better. Yang she was putting her shoulder so that Xiaoying can cling on her arms. Well, looking at them. The other hand, Yangchu was calling Xiaoying. Whenever and whenever we are, I will be your audience. Oh, Yangchu, she was really sweet girl. She will really support her everything she want in her life. It's a great luck to be able to hear you singing. Yangchu, let me sing a song for you. Just like that night, only us. Right now, Xiaoying, she moved to the stage. Thank you for her tolerance and always supporting me. Wants us the moonlit night to borrow the stars. Now, the moon asked me what I was looking for. So, tirelessly, Xiaoying said, and she was still singing. Over and over again, day by day. Oh, right now, she was really singing gracefully. I said I long for free blue sky, clear eyes with my lover. Oh, that lyrics. It was really great. Right now, she feels that she was stepping on the snow. There can be flowers in the spring. Looking at Xiaoying, and it makes Yangzhou to be enchanted on her voice. Right now, it was only the beginners. Still, Yangzhou, she was listening at Xiaoying. Mistake, be careful. Looking at Yangzhou, she looks really in good condition. Right now, the two of them move closer to each other. Suddenly, Xiaoying jumped off Xiaoying when she finished singing. Yang just said, "You sing so well." It is, liar, is a puppy. Well, the two of them are really happy. Yang just said to her, when Yangzhou take her hands, "Oh, it was really cool. This brooch was customized by me after I drew the picture myself. I think it was a unique gift and it just worked it because you're also a unique person." Xiaoying, she got really shocked. I'm worried that I'm not drawing well enough. I've been practicing this for a long time. Xiaoying, right now she don't know how to answer her. Xiaoying, why don't you speak? Do you think it's not good enough? I just said, my design is too rough, isn't it? Suddenly, she grasped her hand. Yangchu, Xiaoying, they're both really happy. Suddenly, Xiaoying kissed her so much. Well, Xiaoying has become bold this time. She is also brave. It's the best gift I ever received and I love it. Xiaoying said to Yangchu, you came and helped me to put it on, okay? Yangchu said, good. Yangchu, thank you for arranging tonight's dates and prepared the gift for me. Especially Xiaoying. And I'm ready to go back to the stage. Well, this was really a good news. Let's wait for next week for another job. Hi guys, thank you for the 7 new supporter. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!